everyone, welcome to Umkosi no Magajeni. I am uMagajeni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about Uthando nesThembu onje themselves. So you all know Musa Mseleku une reality TV show na yakhe that is called Uthando nemselegu, whereby vela abafazi bakhe abayi4 abangani bakhe, the family as a whole. And again, as since yaqala, I think they have 3 seasons now. uMakhumalo ushilo, yes, Makhumalo confirmed that Uthando nesThembu izobuya very soon. We will be seeing them and it is interesting. But the sad part is this thing, ngibukele podcast kaGogo Skoteni where interview Mpumelelo, but le part le kushould be ngayizwanga, angazi le sengiphinde today. Then mangibukele kulapho khona uMpumelelo athe yena he'll no longer be part ye Uthando nesThembu due to khona ezinye izinto azenzayo. But yeah, guys, I think it will be sad because uMpumelelo manje nje life yakhe se interesting na njengoba sakakhulile, because ushilo ukuthi la girlfriend akhe ayi2 is Thembu sakhe, and then the allegations or the rumors that uhlukane na one of the girlfriends kushuthi amanga, because he said usathandana nabo boyi2 and the other girlfriend is expecting. So mina I do think ukuthi beyizoba interesting ukubona uMpumelelo akhulisa esakhe isithembu, sibona ukuthi umehluko phakathi kwesithembu saMpumelelo nesaka baba uMseleku nje ubaba kaMpumelelo sihamba kanjani, and so that sizobona ukuthi yimaphi ama tips abathathe kubabakhe or izinto ezifanayo kuye nobabakhe. uMpumelelo also said that yena sakazoba njengoba azobaba wesi2 lo sisu esihleli sesi2, but ke khona ezinye izisu or bakhona abantwana. I think ama girlfriend ake wathola ama miscarriage. Nalo mntana esimaziyo akusumuntu oqala ukumithisa, uke wamithisa omunye umuntu before. Guys, you see ukuthi uMpumelelo unento emnandi, unento like ine story esiningi esingasibukela na, because I think themselves sekukuningi abasitshela kona now sesiyazi ukuthi abazovela abaqabana or what. So I think we need something new. So indaba kaMpumelelo mina beyizongenza happy, I don't wanna lie, nje beyizoyenza happy, and I think beyizoletha ukuthi abantu abukele kakhulu uThando nesThembu, just because njengoba sakhulile. Also, you know, the allegations or the rumors or ifight yakhe noQueen Loli besobona ukuthi court bagcine ngani. So manje sizobona nje same also, but yeah, you'll never go wrong when it comes to Uthando nesThembu. I-reality show yabo ihlala ifana, ihlala inaba viewers amaningi, and ihlala isinika into esayi-expectanga. But yeah, mina nje ngibhlungu ukuthi uMpumelelo angeke asavela or uzovela lapho nalapho due to umsebenzi or due to yena sakangapha eGoli and bona bahlala eKZN. So yes, ke uMakhumalo bakakhuluma iqiniso, noMpumelelo uvumile ukuthi Uthando nesThembu iyabuya on our TV screens, and I just can't wait, guys. Guys, that is all for today. Bazala bamzi, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and please don't forget to comment. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.